Welcome to my news channel Advik Career Craft, where we all together going to learn, grow. I'm going to help you to boost your career in your IT industry. Are you struggling to improve your communication skill? Wondering how to crack top MNC interview? Or looking to become an expert in Android app development? If yes, you are in the right place. Welcome to Advik Career Craft, your one-stop channel to learn, grow, and land your dream IT job. I am Amod Raut, and through this channel, I will guide you on improving the communication skill, interview preparation, and the Android app development, all with practical and the real-world insight. My journey from JP school to Deloitte was not easy. But it proved one thing, nothing is impossible. I have seen firsthand how challenging it can be for the student from the small town and rural area to break into the IT industry. Seeing over 3,000 plus engineers standing in queue for the walk-in interview in the Pune was an eye-opener recently. It made me realize how many talented individuals struggle due to the lack of proper guidance and the industry-ready skill. This is exactly why I started this Advik Career Craft channel for you to bridge this gap and help you to land your dream IT job with confidence. Why Advik Career Craft? Mastering communication skill is a key to success in any role. I am going to help you to build confidence and present yourself effectively. IT interview preparation from resume building to crack technical and HR interview, I'm gonna help you throughout this journey. Android app development. Learn how to build real world applications step by step. I will guide you through the practical exercise and the coding tutorial with the help of Kotlin and the Jetpack Compose. All with the latest technology. Subscribe to my channel and hit the like button for the latest updates. Turn on the notifications so that you do not miss out any next updates. Also, please do share my channel with your friend, classmate who are aspiring to work in IT. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.